Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export and import a flow so that you can save it as a template and later on you can just use it the way you really want to. So in front of you I have opened the home page of Microsoft Flow. So here you can go to my flows where you can see all the flows created for you or by you. Suppose you want to do it with one of the flow, let's say this one. So you see this option, click on it, you see export. You have two options, package or logic apps template. So I go for package. You can put a name for it. So I'll say test export. If you want you can put some description. So you can see the related resources like connections. You can edit it over here, or I mean configure it over here, or you can comment on it. So it is showing that you can do this during import. All right, what about this? Okay, so when you import it back, it is asking what would you like to do, create as a new or update it. Definitely I would like to create as a new. Click on OK. Alright, so we don't need to put a description. Click on export. You can see this export option here, so click on it. You can see now it is downloading, so you can navigate to a location and click on save. Now the question arises about import. Okay, let's go back to my flows. So you have two options, either you create one or import. So whatever we have exported, let's import it. So it is asking for a zip file, so just navigate it to the location where you have saved the file. So I'm going to select this, open. Now it is uploading. So you can see that import setup was there, create as new we selected, it is, and these things we can select here. If you want to add a new connection you can do, or you can just select one and click on OK. Now it is selected. Again you can click on select, it's selected. So now we are good to import and proceed further. So I'm not doing that because I don't need to, because I already had a flow. The reason for this video is to show you how this can be done. So this is how easy it is to do. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. If you have any concern, any question or anything you want to ask, please go ahead. So, and if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.